Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is Pakistan relation with neighboring countries. This is long question number 2 of your book. People's Republic of China is a great neighbor of Pakistan whose borders touch the northern region of Pakistan. पाकिस्तान के नॉर्थ में चाइना है. When it was declared a republic in 1949 में जब ये चाइना का क़याम अमल में आया, पाकिस्तान immediately recognized this. पाकिस्तान ने इसको तस्लीम किया. पाक-चाइना फ्रेंडली रिलेशन स्टार्टेड सिंस 1954 टू 55. 54 और 55 में पाकिस्तान और चाइना के दोस्ताना का ताल्लुकात का आगाज़ हुआ और अब आज तक जानते हैं कि पाकिस्तान दे आर बोथ आर क्लोज फ्रेंड्स एंड help each other in every time. Their friendship is based on the sincere emotion on the people. A sincere harmony developed between the two nations. China has always proved itself to be a dependable friend in war and peace. Pakistan extended full support to China for making it permanent member of the Security Council. इन सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल में मेंबर बनाने के लिए भी पाकिस्तान ने कोशिश की. पाकिस्तान प्रोवाइड एवरी पॉसिबल पॉलिटिकल, डिप्लोमेटिक एंड मोरल सपोर्ट टू चाइना ड्यूरिंग इट्स वार विद इंडिया इन 1962. China morally, politically, diplomatically, strategically and financially supported Pakistan in its war against India in 1965 to 1971. After the atomic blast, ये हाईलाइट कर लेनी है. After the atomic blast by India in 1974, China and Pakistan adopted a similar nuclear policy. Both emphasized that the Indian Ocean should be declared a nuclear-free zone. Both countries signed the Nuclear Pact in 1987, and China extended financial and technical cooperation. Silk Road Karakoram Highway nearly 887 km was constructed with the help of China, which became a symbol and glowing example of Pak-China friendship. Many defense agreements were signed between China and Pakistan, according to which China helped Pakistan in the construction of Kamra complex and Pakistan War Ordnance Factory. It gave us 273 million for the construction of the heavy industry electrical complex in KPK in 2013. The Prime Minister of Pakistan visited China during this tour. Different agreements in many departments between both countries were signed, including the power sector. Prime Minister of Pakistan made visit to China in 2018 and 19. During these visits, many agreements were signed between the two countries. In the present day, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC) is very important in order to Pak-China relationship. CPEC जो है ये इकोनॉमिक तौर पे बेहतरी के लिए CPEC के नाम से एक इदारा बनाया गया है. Pak India relationship. ये long question number 3 था. Pak India relationship. It is long question number 2. The main dispute between Pakistan and India is the Kashmir issue, and without its solution, the relation cannot be improved. Better ties can be established between both countries all the fields if it is resolved. Pakistan always showed a positive attitude, but India is not serious about resolving this issue. For resolving the water issue, the Indus Water Treaty was signed between India and Pakistan in 1960. When Indus Water Treaty was signed, it was signed in 1960. India is still violating this treaty. The Shimla Pact was signed between both countries in 1971. Shimla Pact was signed between in 1970. Sorry, it is 1971. यहाँ पर डेट नहीं लिखी है, वो आपने लिखना है. शिमला पैक्ट वाज साइंड बिटवीन both leaders in 1972 after the war of 1971, whereby they agreed that their difference would be resolved there through discussions. Second South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation (SAARC) की फुल फॉर्म है Second South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation. Held session was in India in 1985. Both countries made efforts to increase cooperation through SAARC, but that produced not a satisfactory result. Prime Minister of Pakistan and India got a chance to meet at the 4th SAARC Head Conference in 1988 in Islamabad, and a pact was signed to restrict each other from attacking their nuclear sites. Some betterment of relationship appeared in Pakistan and India in 1990. Mutual trade and travelling facilities were increased. No effort can be fruitful without the solution of Kashmir issue amicably. And Pakistan is firm in its stand that the Kashmir issue should be settled according to the resolution of the United Nations and the wishes of the helpless Kashmir. इसमें हमने यही पढ़ा कि 1960 में जो पाकिस्तान और भारत के दरमियान तनाज़ा हुआ, सेंतास माहिदा उस पर दस्तखत हुए। उसके बाद 1970 की जंग के बाद 1972 में शिमला पैक्ट साइन किया गया। 1985 में भी दोनों ममालिक ने साख के दायरे में, यानी साख तंजीम जो थी उसके दायरे में अपने ताउन बढ़ाने की कोशिश की, लेकिन वो कामयाब नहीं हुए। दैन 1988 में साख की फोर्थ कॉन्फ्रेंस में दोनों में एक माहिदा तय पाया कि दोनों में से कोई भी एक दूसरे के एटॉमिक प्लांट पर हमला नहीं करेगा। 1990 में पाकिस्तान और भारत के दरमियान कुछ बेहतरियाँ आई और आपस में तिजारत बढ़ी, लेकिन जो भारत है वो अभी भी मसला कश्मीर को हल नहीं करना चाहता और पाकिस्तान अभी भी अपने मौक़िफ़ पर कायम है। तो मसला कश्मीर जो है वो उसकी करारदाद मंजूर की गई कि कश्मीरियों को राय के ज़रिए उनके मसले को हल किया जाए। Agra conference was held between the President of Pakistan and the Prime Minister of India from the 14th to 17th July 2001. The three-day dialogue in this conference proved unsuccessful. 14th to 17th July 2001 आगरा कॉन्फ्रेंस मुनक्किद हुई, लेकिन इनमें कोई भी सक्सेसफुल बात ना हो सकी और कोई भी मुज़ाकरात नहीं हुए और फैसला किए बगैर ये कॉन्फ्रेंस ख़त्म होगी। इन साख कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑर्गेनाइज इन जनवरी 2004 इन इस्लामाबाद। 2004 में इस्लामाबाद में साख जो कॉन्फ्रेंस मुनक्किद हुई। The talks were held between the President of Pakistan and Indian Prime Minister, and many agreement was settled. In 2013, the General Assembly session of United Nations, a meeting was also held between the both Prime Minister and board to continue bilateral dialogues. Now, improvement in relationship between Pakistan and India can be expected from the Kartarpur corridor. पाकिस्तान और इंडिया के ताल्लुकात को मज़ीद बेहतर बनाने के लिए करतारपुर राहदारी पे डिपेंड किया जा सकता है कि इससे इनके ताल्लुकात अच्छे होंगे। ठीक है, ये लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है आपकी बुक एक्सरसाइज का, यह भी आपने मुकम्मल याद करना है।